Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we are presenting some ideas on wooden pallet furniture. Wooden pallet furniture has gained an immense popularity in recent years, transcending its humble origin as a utilitarian item in the shipping and logistics industry. What began as a cost-effective solution for transporting goods has evolved into a sustainable and stylish trend in interior and outdoor design. The versatility of wooden pallets has captured the imagination of DIY enthusiasts, designers, and eco-conscious consumers alike. One of the key attractions of wooden pallet furniture is its eco-friendly nature. By repurposing used pallets, furniture makers contribute to the reduction of waste and conservation of natural resources. This eco-conscious approach aligns with the growing global awareness of sustainable living practices. Additionally, the rustic charm of pallet wood adds character and warmth to any space, making it a popular choice for those who appreciate both aesthetics and environmental responsibility. Wooden pallets come in various sizes, providing a foundation for an array of furniture pieces, from coffee tables and bookshelves to bed frames and outdoor seating. The possibilities are endless. The DIY aspect of pallet furniture allows individuals to unleash their creativity and personalize their pieces according to their preferences. Sanding, painting, or staining the wood offers opportunities for customization, ensuring that each creation is unique. Beyond its aesthetic appeal, pallet furniture also appeals to those seeking affordability. Pallets are often available at low cost or even for free, making them an economical choice for budget-conscious individuals. This affordability factor aligns with the trend towards conscious consumerism, where people seek value and quality without compromising their financial well-being. In terms of durability, wooden pallets are robust and sturdy, capable of withstanding various weather conditions. This durability makes them suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. With proper treatment and maintenance, pallet furniture can stand the test of time, providing a long-lasting and sustainable solution for home furnishing. The popularity of wooden pallet furniture has also extended to commercial spaces, with cafes, restaurants, and businesses incorporating pallet pieces into their decor. The raw and authentic aesthetic of pallet wood complements a range of design styles, from industrial chic to rustic farmhouse. This adaptability has contributed to the widespread adoption of pallet furniture in both residential and commercial settings. The allure of wooded pallet furniture lies in its combination of sustainability, affordability, versatility, and aesthetic appeal. As a symbol of repurposing and upcycling, pallet furniture not only adds a touch of uniqueness to spaces, but also aligns with global movement towards responsible and mindful living. Whether you are a DIY enthusiast or someone looking for an affordable, eco-friendly furnishing option, wooden pallet furniture stands as the testament to the beauty that can emerge from reimagining and repurposing everyday materials. I hope you were inspired to watch these ideas till the end. Which one of these ideas was your favorite? I'd love to hear from you in the comments. If you would like to keep up to date with my latest videos about DIY projects, woodworking, metalworking, furniture ideas and more, you can subscribe us and click the bell icon for notification when we upload a new video to the channel.